It's Mr. Money in the Bank. The best in the world.
The doctor is in the house.
And from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 200.
Gunther is here. And these superstars look more than ready to get going here. Up for the electric chair, down for the drop.
Nice running crossbody. Flesh on flesh. Nothing pretty about it. Extending their opponent's arm out.
Oh, man! Leg drop arm breaker. Byron, what kind of mindset do you have to thrive in a no DQ match?
You have to be willing to both dish it out and take it, Michael. Sure, there's the thrill of being able to use a chair without the worry of disqualification, but you have to remember that you're not the only one with that freedom.
Yeah, swing that chair as freely as you want, but be prepared to feel it swung back at you sooner rather than later. Down to Odin, and a double axe handle smash. Boom. A little rope assistance, punishing their opponent. Power the weak and knock can limit you in so many ways. They get harder to execute on even simple attacks.
Ooh, nasty shot to the throat. The dominant streak of Reigns getting a bit challenged.
Oh, man, check out this power.
Press slam.
Good night.
Showing absolutely no mercy at all. What an onslaught. Into a power slam. That move had the amount of force akin to a natural disaster. Caught with a DDT.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Drop kick. Being carried around now.
Face first.
Power slam.
Shoulder tackle after shoulder tackle. Vader landed it right there. Ooh. Chop.
Oh, man, check out this power.
Gorilla press slam.
Well measured. Oh, man, he is more than fired up right now. Each of those boots seem to get heavier. Soaring. Well, this could also light a fire under you. Make you...
Is this it? Is this the end? And now we see Femi. Just kicks out.
Couldn't quite slam the door yet.
Elbow drop.
Has their opponent down, and
Here we go.
this is just terrible to watch. He's in so much pain and can't do anything.
Oh, what a clothesline.
Pin.
Here we go.
No, he kicks out.
Not time to expect victory yet.
Beautiful.
getting on the end. CM Punk with the Anaconda.
Kneeing his way out. And he's free.
Blow to the breadbasket. Ooh, and he stops that offense. First drop.
He's getting fired up now, really feeding off this crowd.
His body is showing the effects of this match.
Thunderous clothesline.
Big boom! Jeez.
So much punishment.
Certainly looking worse for wear, but the tide can shift at any moment.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
Kendo stick to the skull.
Oof. Punk is shaky. The end of the track for him could be near.
Thunderous powerbomb. Cena wasn't ready. Could be over.
Looking to attack from above. Perched up top. Get this back into the ring now. And here's Femi for the win. There it is. Femi is your winner.
Here are your winners. The team of Oba Femi, Gunther, and Vader.
That's a big victory for these three here tonight.
That's what happens when you put in the preparation and the training.